Hey guys, welcome back to another video. And then today I basically took my Nexus 7 2013 edition and went ahead and flashed a new ROM on it. Now the ROM that I'm running on this tablet is the Pixel Experience. And the reason that I wanted to go to this ROM from Liquid Remix, which was also a 9Pi custom ROM, was the fact that this one's a little bit more stock. There's not too much customization, so there's not a mixture of settings where you would find certain things and then not find things where they should be. So pretty much just kind of like really close to bone stock Android, and it's running pretty decent. It's smooth, a lot smoother than Liquid Remix was. Liquid Remix had this issue where when you were scrolling through things, it kind of just started to slow down a little bit. With this ROM, it's pretty clean, simple. It's not super fast, but it is a lot smoother than the previous ROM. Now, again, some people will ask, what is the point of updating to a custom ROM, or what is the point of updating to the latest version of Android? And that is because applications that are on the Play Store eventually start to phase out older versions of Android. And so you want to have the latest operating system in order for certain apps to maintain their functionality. That's one of the key reasons why that it is always good to try to at least to be on the latest version of Android, which is a reason why developers go and build these custom ROMs, is to help people who want to keep their older hardware for them to be able to still continue to use it and keep it by updating it to the latest versions of Android, so therefore they continue to run. As Android is, it can be backported to older devices a lot more than what people think. So yeah, this tablet right now is just running the Pixel Experience. It does have a little bit differences from the Nexus 5X, which is also running the Pixel Experience. But that's not a really huge deal though. But other than that, I gotta say it's pretty steady ROM, clean, smooth, and just goodness. So if you guys enjoyed my quick little video about this custom ROM, drop a like to let me know. Hit that subscribe button if you just checked out my channel. I would really appreciate that. And yeah, hit the bell icon to be notified when I upload. And as always, everybody, thanks for watching. Aloha.